Analytics Insight, your one-stop destination for all the latest and greatest in technology. I am your host Akanksha, and today on this channel we have got the most exciting and critical tech developments from around the globe, from AI shakeups to leadership changes and government tech safety moves, all in one simple engaging video. So without further ado, let's get started with today's top tech stories. In a bold move to curb digital fraud in India, the government is planning a kill tool inside UPI and bank apps. This emergency button will let users instantly freeze all outgoing payments if they suspect that they are being scammed, giving them a time to think and contact support. Officials are also exploring insurance for fraud loss and early warning systems to stop risky transfers before they spread across the accounts. This feature aims to protect millions from emotional pressure, scams that drain money quickly. In a major corporate news, Deepinder Goyal, founder and a longtime CEO of what was formerly Zomato and is now Eternal Ltd, is stepping down from his executive role effective February 1, 2026. He'll stay on as vice chairman while Blinkit's Albinder Dhindsa takes over as the group CEO. Goyal said that he wants to pursue high-risk experimental ideas outside the daily demands of a public company. Eternal has also reported strong revenue growth recently, especially in quick commerce. Newly leaked internal documents show Microsoft has been pushing OpenAI towards monetizing its products faster, and huge revenue sharing numbers between the two have surfaced. In the first 9 months of 2025, OpenAI reportedly paid Microsoft around $865 million in revenue share under their deal, up dramatically from 2024. These figures help shed light on the economic realities behind the AI boom and the cost of scaling AI tech. Apple is planning a big upgrade for Siri, turning it into a full-blown AI chatbot that works with both voice and text. This revamped Siri, internally called Campos, could be a highlight at Apple's upcoming WWDC. The move signals Apple's push to stay competitive in the fast-evolving AI assistant space. Social media rival X is adopting a new Starterpacks feature inspired by Blue Sky. These curated lists help new users find interesting accounts to follow by category, from tech to gaming. Unlike Blue Sky, community-made packs, X is building these lists internally based on its own data. And that's it for today's top tech stories. I hope you found this video informational. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.